Good morning, lovelies. Welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This is Hilda, your host. Today, we're going to have a post review. Finally, I'm starting to get little bit things done. We're going to have a post in diamond painting, I guess. We're going to have a post review of One Day Saving, one of the big canvases that I use for the event, Big Soccer Canvas. It was my 9th and final big canvas finished. Okay, these event Big Soccer events, Big Soccer Canvas 2022 ran from January 1st to November 30th, and we are having the next event next year, the same event along with other two. You want more information, you can try to join the Facebook group. They're going to be posted on the description box, both Facebook groups, and because I have one for Beaded and Stamped Cross Stitch, and we're gonna have events next year. So without further ado, here it is. I made some changes which I wanted to explain about those changes. These turn out to be gorgeous. Come on, camera, focus. Okay. Look at this. This was a 40 by 70. Here it is. She is gorgeous. The drills were easy to do, but I decided to make some little changes to use some sparkling on this gorgeous lady. I was gonna use the slivers, but I didn't like the way they do it. If I find the picture, I will post it over here, okay? So here it is. I use some sparklers, and I use some ABs in some areas. So let me get you closer. Let me zoom you in so you can see them. As a matter of fact, the video doesn't do justice to this. And these things wants to keep on moving. Here it is. I don't know if you can notice, but I do some sparkling on her crown or her hairpiece. Okay, I use some in there, you know, to make it pop up a little bit. Okay, and if you can see, look at the drills. They're sparkly, very sparkly drills. And very well defined. When you're doing it, you seems like, oh, this is gonna be some pixelation, but it's not. It's not. Okay. The flute, that's what I wanted to use the slivers, but it didn't work out well because it was gonna look too flat. So in here, right, I use some sparklers. Right, and then I use some ABs. Take a look at this. I use the Moonstone sparkler because those ones, they tend to catch up the color that is in the bottom, that is in the canvas. So I love them. I love them. That Moonstone, I love them. So here it is. I use some ABs in the choker. There's some ABs in there. Okay, the ABs that I have along with some sparklers too. I use some ABs and sparklers. No, I use ABs in here. Some of them are ABs, Aurora Borealis. Okay. Then I use also some here in her flower. I use some ABs, and I did use some sparklers. And also on her dress, you're gonna see it. I just want to accentuate certain areas. Okay, her belt, or I don't know, her girdle, whatever you want to call it, also has a lot of sparklers and ABs on it. Take a look at that. Take a look at this sparkling. And this has been sitting there for a few weeks, and I haven't sealed it yet with Mod Podge. And look at the drills, how they retain. I just grab it out to do this filming. So take a look at this, and take a look at the sparkle of those drills. Look at that. Look at that. What I did in there. I did some sparkle because this one was worth it to do it. This is gorgeous, and I suggest there is a discount code in the description box. I suggest that you go there, and if you're going to participate on next year's event, you can find this big DP canvas. Remember, the requirement is 65 centimeters above in either side. And then there's another event that's going to start at the same time, but that one's finished earlier in June 30, and it's the medium square canvas. That's a 50 by 50, and you might be able to find some of those canvases in here. But I love the way this one turned out. This is beautiful. Look at this sparkler. Look at how it pops up from far away. I got you a little closer so you can see it. But you can see that this lady is gorgeous. One Day Saving is one of the companies here that I promote their products. And I think they have gorgeous canvases. Gorgeous, and they have promotion all the time. And now with Christmas, I suggest you start getting your stuff. Take a look at this, how these shine. The changes, the sparkle, the changes. And I love the way that the drills shine. Look, from far away. This is an area where I don't have any specialty drill. Look at how they sparkle. They're very, very shiny drills. Oh, and I have some in here too, in this area, some 80s that I did, that I put on. She is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. See, look, you can see from far away how the flute pops out. Okay? Look at the shiny. The changes that I made. And the drills from the canvas, original drills. They are sparkly. I enjoy this one very much, doing it. That's what probably took me so long. I wasn't able to do another one. My goal was 20 canvases, but I only did 9, almost half of it. But, you know, who knows what next year it is. So, this is it. This is a post review of One Day Saving. Don't forget to hit the like button, okay? Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell, the notification bell. And if you like, don't forget to give thanks, you know, a donation to the channel for future videos and future events. And I want to thank everybody who participated in last year's event. Congratulate the winners again. And don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Enjoy your Christmas safely, okay? I don't think there's gonna be videos next weekend. That's Christmas time, that's family time, and we shouldn't be doing anything in social media except taking care of our family and enjoy the time, enjoy the reason for the seasons, okay? So have a wonderful Christmas and a Happy New Year, and thank you for watching. And until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.